Hi, my name is Larissa Green, and I'm the Chief Product Officer for Spark School Software. Your child's school has chosen Spark as its school management software to keep track of attendance, grades, the school calendar, and other important school information. As the guardian, you have a portal that you can log into in order to view important information from your school, including school events, forms, invoices, reports, and your students' assignments. The purpose of this video is to show you how to log into your portal and what you can do there. Your school should have sent you an email giving you access to your Guardian portal. It will be titled Student Guardianship Assigned and will be from Spark. Click the button in the email. This will take you to this page where you can enter a password. This will be the password you use along with your email address to log into your Spark portal. In the future, simply go to sparkyourschool.com and click Log In to log into your portal. Once you've logged into your portal, you'll land on your overview page. Here you can quickly see the school's contact information, your students, the school calendar, invoices you have due, announcements, forms, reports, and files that have been posted. On the school calendar, you can click on an event to view more information or follow links. In the posted items section, you can click on an announcement to view more information. You can open a form to fill it out. You can also open reports to view that and other files that your school has posted. The left navigation gives you access to more parts of your Guardian portal. My Info shows you the basic information on file for you and your students. Some schools allow guardians to edit this information, others to simply view it. If something needs updated here, be sure to contact your school. The Student Planner allows you to view the assignments that have been given to your students and all of their submissions. It can be filtered by your students, by term, or by classroom, subject, or course. You can click on an assignment to view the teacher's instructions and any attachments or links that were included. You can also click on your student's submission of an assignment to view the text or upload that your student sent to the teacher, as well as the teacher's feedback and whether the submission was approved or sent back to the student for redo. Keep in mind that these assignments and their submissions can only be viewed by you as the guardian, not edited. Billing gives you a record of all invoices that you've paid or that are due in the future. You can either download them as a PDF or go ahead and pay them online. You can also store payment methods here if you wish. My Documents allows you to upload or view documents that are part of your shared folder. Teachers or admin from your school may share documents with you here or may ask you to upload documents that they need for their records. All documents uploaded here have a high level of security that is more than ample for sensitive documents such as driver's licenses and birth certificates. Chat is the place where you can chat with your students or with the teachers in the school. You will receive an email notification of a new chat message. You can set these notification timings in the chat settings. We are currently building an app for guardians that will enable easier communication between you and your child's teachers. There may also be other minor changes and improvements made to the Guardian portal as time goes on. Please reach out to your school with any questions or for help with navigating. Thank you for watching.